Purchasing a used car can be one of the most rewarding financial choices, offering significant savings compared to buying new. However, the process can also be quite daunting. You might stumble upon a vehicle that seems perfect in the online listing. It's in excellent condition, equipped with desirable features, and the price is right. Yet, a persistent voice in the back of your mind questions, "What if this car is a lemon, riddled with hidden issues?" Today, we're going to tackle that anxiety head-on. I will equip you with a comprehensive 8-point checklist designed to guide you through the inspection of any used car with assurance. By diligently following these steps, you'll be able to spot potential red flags, such as mechanical problems, extensive wear, or questionable ownership history, and ultimately avoid a costly mistake that could lead to a significant financial burden. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more car maintenance tips. Now, let's jump right in. Number 1. Vehicle History Report. Before you even go see the car, ask for a vehicle history report. This report reveals a lot about the car's past, like whether it's been in any major accidents, if the odometer has been tampered with, or if the car has a salvage title. A salvage title usually means the car was declared a total loss by an insurance company, which can mean hidden damage. Services like Carfax or AutoCheck can give you this report, and some dealers might even provide it for free. If the seller refuses to show you the report or makes excuses, that's a red flag. A clean report doesn't guarantee a perfect car, but it does help you avoid big surprises. It's like checking a person's resume before hiring them. You want to know what you're getting into. Buying a used car is a big investment, so make sure the past isn't hiding anything that could cost you later. Number 2. Exterior and body condition. Don't just take a quick glance at the car and assume everything's fine. Walk around the entire vehicle slowly, looking for dents, scratches, paint inconsistencies, or signs of rust. Minor scratches are normal for older cars, but misaligned panels or different shades of paint can mean the car was in a serious accident and poorly repaired. Check if the doors and trunk open and close smoothly. Look underneath the car too, especially for signs of rust, which can spread and weaken the frame over time. If you see bubbling under the paint, that's rust developing. The tires should also wear evenly. Uneven wear might indicate alignment problems. A car that looks good on the outside often reflects how well it's been cared for overall. Take your time and don't be shy about being thorough. Number 3. Engine condition and fluids. Pop the hood and take a good look at the engine. You don't have to be a mechanic to notice obvious problems. Is it clean, or is there oil and dirt caked all over? That might suggest leaks or poor maintenance. Check the engine oil using the dipstick. It should be golden brown or dark brown, not thick and black like sludge. Also, inspect the coolant, brake fluid, and transmission fluid. They should be clean and at proper levels. Listen to the engine when it's running. Does it idle smoothly, or does it make odd knocking or rattling noises? A rough idle or strange sounds could mean expensive repairs down the road. An engine is like the heart of the car. If it's not healthy, the rest doesn't matter much. Don't rush this part. Open your ears and eyes and take your time. Number 4. Transmission and gear shifting. Take the car for a test drive and pay close attention to how the transmission behaves. If it's an automatic, it should shift gears smoothly without jerking or hesitation. If it's a manual, make sure the clutch engages smoothly and the gears shift easily without grinding. Any delay, slipping, or hard shifts are bad signs. These issues can point to costly transmission repairs or replacements. Also, check if the car rolls backward easily on a hill. This could be a sign of a weak clutch. During the drive, Try accelerating gradually and suddenly, and pay attention to how the transmission responds in both cases. Transmission repairs are among the most expensive fixes a car can need, so don't ignore any unusual behavior while driving. If it doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. Number 5. Interior features and condition. Step inside and give the interior a proper inspection. Check for tears in the seats, stains on the upholstery, and wear on the steering wheel, pedals, and dashboard. Excessive wear on these can signal high mileage, even if the odometer says otherwise. Turn on the air conditioner, heater, radio, headlights, power windows, and other electronic features. Make sure everything works. Even little things like a broken window switch or non-functional stereo can be annoying and costly to fix if you want everything working. Also, take a whiff. A musty or moldy smell might mean past water damage or leaks. Don't let a fresh air freshener fool you. The interior might seem cosmetic, but comfort and convenience matter a lot over time. You'll spend hours inside, so make sure it feels right. Following these steps turns you from a hopeful buyer into an educated consumer. It gives you the power to walk away from a bad deal and the confidence to say yes to a great one. If this guide helped you, do me a favor and hit that like button. And subscribe for more content to help you navigate the world of cars. Got a used car buying story? Share it in the comments below. Good luck and happy car hunting.